Hi, Big Papa. We're gonna cook my take on Korean barbecue, California Korean barbecue. We're gonna do some Smithfield center cut pork chops. Now, I always like my knives to serve two purposes. I like them to cut, but I also like to use them as a measurement tool. That way I got consistent slices, not guessing. So look, I'm putting it right there, putting my finger there, and slicing. And when I'm through with this, you're gonna think I'm a genius if I didn't let you in on my trick. We're gonna do 4 pork chops. And I'm just gonna trim them nicely here. This is gonna be so fun. Korean food is just taking off and I really love it. And this is sort of a California Korean take. This is a recipe I created. We should maybe hit them with a little desert gold first. We should hit with desert gold, which is kind of like it's sesame, it's pepper, it's lemon. It's very, very, very Californian. I'm just gonna do one side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use my best friend, the baggie again. And we're gonna take the pork chops. So we're gonna put these in here like this. Okay, we're gonna try a cup of soy. I use lower sodium soy because I'm always worried about my health. Then we're gonna come in here and we're gonna use a little sesame oil, teaspoon. Here's some garlic. Spent all night mincing this too. Here comes some honey. Let's do some brown sugar. And let's do some Tabasco chipotle flavor. Now we gotta make sure we get this mixed up good in here. Now we got it all mixed up in there. See how quick and easy this was? It's like perfect. So we're gonna take this baggie, we're gonna put it in the refrigerator, we're gonna come back in 20 minutes, then we're gonna go outside and cook it. We got our Korean pork chops, Smithfield center cut pork loin, and we're gonna put it around the edge here, these pork chops. Again, when you use a marinade in a bag and you've had raw meat in it, throw it away. Don't reuse it. So you see I got a little semicircle going. And I'm gonna set this for 7 minutes and then I'm gonna turn them. Here we go. 7 minutes, don't go anywhere. Okay, let's check the Korean pork chops. Here we go. I'm about 109 on these. I want to get them to about 130, 135 because my perfect ending temperature is 145. I'm going to pull it probably at 140 because since it's so hot, there's going to be a residual carry-on of the heat. By the time I let it rest for 5 minutes, it's going to be 145 and perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn them over and they got about 7 more minutes like this. And then I'm gonna sear them. I'm gonna baste them with our Korean barbecue marinade I taught you how to make. See you in 7 minutes, baby. Let's check it now. Let's see if we're ready. I think we're pretty good. Now we're gonna pull these off. Let them rest a little bit. Let the coals get hot. Okay, we're ready to sear them now. What I'm going to also do is baste them. If I can get some caramelization, some color on them. I'm looking for right around 145 because that to me is perfect. We're gonna pull it and plate it right now. We'll let it rest. Then I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna baste it some more. And I'm basting with some of the extra marinade. You go, now watch, here's the finishing touches. A little green onion, and a little sesame. There you have it. Smithfield center cut pork loin chops, Korean style, a la Big Papa.